Hello everyone, are you wondering on how to cheat on CompTIA certification in 2024? If yes, you will find answer in this video. This video is a complete guide on how to cheat on CompTIA certification in 2024, and is it possible to cheat on CompTIA certifications? Cheating on CompTIA certifications will look like a child's play after watching this video. Welcome to Proctored Exams Tricks, and we are back with another amazing video in certifications cheating series. In this video, we will answer all the questions regarding CompTIA certifications like, is it possible to cheat on CompTIA certification? How to cheat on CompTIA certification? Is it safe to cheat on CompTIA certification? What are the best ways to cheat on certification? What are CompTIA certification cheating hacks? What are the tips and tricks of CompTIA certifications? Before going into the details of cheating on CompTIA certification, let me elaborate on what CompTIA is and what is the impact of such IT certifications on your career. CompTIA certifications are industry-recognized credentials offered by the Computing Technology Industry Association, CompTIA. These certifications cover a wide range of IT skills. CompTIA certifications are considered as the key to advancement. The next question that arises in everyone's mind is how to cheat on CompTIA exam when it is proctored. All CompTIA certification exams are proctored by Pearson Vue, which means the whole session is protected by Proctor. Student has to schedule exam with Pearson Vue, and at the time of exam, student downloads and install Pearson Vue and start check-in process. Proctor confirms the identity of student, and then student is asked to show environment, and complete environment check is done carefully. After check-in, exam starts and student is monitored closely. Pearson Vue creates a controlled environment in which student can only access exam content. Now let's come to the most important question. Is it possible to cheat on CompTIA certification? Answer is a big yes. It is possible to cheat on CompTIA certification in 2024, but only with advanced methods. As exam proctoring evolved, cheating techniques also evolved, and cheating with conventional methods is almost impossible now. But it is very simple to cheat on CompTIA certification with help of technical expert method. One may ask, is it possible to cheat on CompTIA exam without being caught when webcam is on? The answer is yes. With the help of our technicians, you can easily cheat on CompTIA certification exam without being caught when webcam is on. Our tools are 100% safe and guaranteed, and Proctor cannot detect presence of these tools. A most important question that arises in everyone's mind, is it safe to cheat on CompTIA? The answer is a big yes. It is a 100% safe method because the software installed cannot be detected by the Pearson Vue check-in system, and no one can detect any presence. There may be other methods to cheat on Pearson Vue exams, such as using a cell phone or making tiny notes. However, it's crucial to recognize that these tactics come with significant risks and could easily be detected by vigilant proctors. Pearson Vue employs stringent security measures to ensure the integrity of its exams. So cheating on Pearson Vue is only possible by the technical expert method. How to get help to cheat CompTIA certification exam after bypassing Pearson Vue. You can contact us at examrabbithelp@gmail.com or fill out our student request form by clicking the link given in description. Alright, let's wrap up for today. We tried to answer all the questions regarding CompTIA certification cheating. If you have any question, you can ask in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more exciting videos. Thank you for watching.